Lazada. Okay. So let's unbox. What's inside this mystery box? Wow. A very good covering. Ang ganda po yung pagkabalot niya. High quality. World class pagkabalot nito. In a black. Tapos mayroong plastic. So kahit mabasa yung package nyo po, ano siya, hindi basta-basta masisira yung nasa loob. So okay guys. So ano po to? Ito po yung wow! It's a CPU cooler from Thermalright. Yes, you said it right. Thermalright. Okay? So they are not famous because they don't have any advertisement on their product. That's why I'm making this video for you guys who considered to purchase this. Alright. Okay. So, aside from this stuff, plastic stuff, okay, so there's a fan included. There's a RGB fan included in the package. So I got it from Lazada, Philippines. Yes, it's a 120 millimeter fan from no name. Yes, no name. But it has a 12 volts only, but I don't know, maybe this is RGB fan because it has a LED strip. We'll see when we activate this. Okay, so let's set aside and focus on this. This is Thermalright Frost Spirit 140. Okay, yeah, Thermalright is a very known company from the overclocking community, but it has a rare video for on YouTube online, so that's why. So yeah, let's see what's inside the box and what is stored inside the FS140. So the specification dimension is a 120 millimeter by 120 millimeter. The height is 25 millimeter. The weight, yes, so it's per product pa pala. So the heatsink is, the height is 158. So just enough with my Raven 3 Silverstone. I hope this cooler will fit. Okay. So thermalright.com. Okay. Okay. So it has a 2 fan. So this. Okay. So let's open it up, guys. Thermalright. Opening the package. Wow. So first, I have a 120 millimeter fan. Second from the package is a 140 millimeter fan. Wow, it's a huge fan, guys. It's big. This is the TLD14. And some paperworks and some series manual that comes in English. Okay, so aside from that, the most exciting part is the radiator or the cooler. So let's set aside this 120 fan and a 120 and a 140 fan. So let's see what's stored inside. Alright, so at the center of the radiator comes the connectors. So let's see what's inside the connector. Accessory package. Accessory package comes with the backplate mount, the fan mount, 4 pieces fan mount, a power cable, the arms mount, the AM4 mount, and some screws. Okay, and included in the package is a thermal paste. Okay, so for the most awaited part, the radiator. Let's pull out the radiator. Whoa, it's big. It's big, and it's made out of very good plastic. Okay. Yeah, it's very good. It's a very solid build radiator. It has a 1, 2, 3, 4 8 mm pipes to transfer the heat from the plate to this heat sink. Okay, so this is a huge dust. Yes, the quality is, the finish are very good. Yes guys, the finish. So this is a huge fan guys, as you can see. Thermal right. Okay, yeah, thermal right. It's quite heavy, but I guess it is enough for my Ryzen 7 3700X. I'm not overclocking yet, but as soon as I install this, let's overclock. Okay, yeah, so that's it for the unboxing video of my thermal right Frost Spirit 140. So it has 2 fans, a 140 fan and a 120 fan. So I'm gonna make an installation video regarding this cooler. So I hope you subscribe and like this video for more, and I will install it once I benchmark the Ryzen 7 3700X on a B550 Tomahawk MSI. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching this video, this unboxing of a Frost Spirit 140. Thank you guys, and enjoy your overclocking. Yes, wait. For the fan, yeah, it's very big fan, and it will fit at the middle. Yeah, a great looking cooler. It's so sexy. And yep, so this is the thermal right. Okay, this is not a sponsored video, so hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so aside from that, I choose this over the Noctua because the Noctua is more expensive. I got this for around $60 or 3,300 pesos in Lazada. Okay, so if you have overclocking, yeah, thank you and bye.